Hello everyone, I am Shamidu. Welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you my restaurant point of sale system. I create this as a single page application using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript and jQuery. I followed the MVC architecture for better structure and maintenance. This is the home page. It includes the login and sign up section. Currently, only user with the username and password can log in to the system. The login system is static and not connected to the database yet. This is the customer page. Here you can manage customer details. You can add a new customer by entering their name, address and phone number. After saving, the customer appears in the table below. You can also update or delete customer records easily. This is the item page. Here we can manage items sold in the restaurant. You can add a new item by entering the item name, quantity and price. Just like a customer, you can update or delete item record from the system. This is the order page, which is the main part of the point of sale system. It helps you to manage order and payment. The order ID and date are automatically filled. You can select a customer from the table. The customer details will be filled in the automatically. Then you can select an item. The item detail like name, price and available quantity will be displayed. After choosing the quantity, click the Add to Cart button. The order will be shown in the order table. The system will automatically calculate the total bill at the bottom. Can you apply a discount? Choose the payment method and enter the cash amount. The system will calculate the balance automatically. Once the order is complete, you can click the Place Order button to finish. This system is also fully responsive. It works well on desktop, tablet and mobile devices. So this is my restaurant point of sale system. With this system, you can easily handle customer management, item management, order and payment process. It is a simple, clean, efficient for small business. Thank you for watching.